natural gas. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the winner chart. We're approaching back to positive MACD. We're nearing overbought levels with the RSI. We're still below the 100 moving average, this orange line, at a price of $6.48. With the 4-hour chart, we remain in negative MACD. We did see converge. We're off of oversold levels with the RSI. And as with the daily chart, we remain in negative MACD. And as with the trade idea, I'll be trading UNG. My trade position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $19.31. My sell target is at $22.48. My stop loss is at $18.24. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $23.27, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $20.50, and my stop loss is at $24.13. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day, or week of trading, natural gas has a 60% chance to climb between 0 to 9%, and to the downside it has a 40% chance to fall between negative 9 to negative 19%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.